You can start earning up to 50,000 naira weekly just by starting this business that costs you little or no capital at all. Watch this eyes-opening video to see how. Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Temitayo and this is the Girls Nation. With the current state of Nigeria economy, it has become a necessity for everyone to own a business. But the issue is not just to own a business. Your business idea needs to be more profitable and easy to start. Hear this, starting a business in Nigeria is very easy. However, what acts as a major limitation for most people to start business is capital. Where others have money to start the business, many others lack funds for it. As a graduate who is tired of complaining of not getting a white-collar job and also not having money to start his or her own business, by the time you are done watching this video, you'll be able to decide on which business to invest in. Fortunately, there are other businesses that are cheap to start in Nigeria. If you are looking for the cheapest business to start in Nigeria, this video will guide you on what you should know. There are several financial benefits of starting your own business over working for a salary. Firstly, you get to build an establishment that has growth potential while enriching you financially. Also, your business itself serves as a very valuable asset. The value of your business increases as your business grows. Additionally, when you start your business, you become your own boss and decide how much you want to make and how long you want to work. This gives you the flexibility to do other things with your life. I have reviewed business ideas in Nigeria that can be done on small, large, and medium scales. I'll be unveiling them one after the other in this eyes-opening video. And by the time you are done watching this video, you'll be able to decide on which business to invest in. Without much ado, let's check out the 7 kind of lucrative businesses you can start in 2024 with little or no capital at all, and you become financially comfortable by the end of the first quarter of the year if you are consistent in them. I will start with one with low income rate to the one with high income rates. So you need to watch this video to the very end. The first on my list is the point of sales agency business that we all know as POS. If you are looking very well around, you will discover that almost everyone is comfortable with getting money from a POS agent than going to queue at the bank, which is why a lot of people are venturing into it. The truth there is that POS agency business has come to stay in Nigeria with its rapid growth over the last few years. As a POS agent, you can make between 10,000 naira to 30,000 naira in commission daily, depending on your location. The busier your location, the more money you will make. The good news there is that starting a POS agency business requires very little to no capital. All you just need to do is to reach out to a sales agent from a fintech company such as MoneyPoint, OPay, PalmPay, and others to get set up. You can even apply for one at the bank you save your money. Just speak with their customer service representative to guide you on what you do. The second on this list is the house cleaning and laundry business because it requires almost nothing to start. If you are highly motivated and you have a lot of energy to spare, you may be well suited to do the cleaning business as it demands a great idea of physical effort for a long period of time. Starting a laundry business does not need much investment. As I have said, you will discover that there are people in your area that can't do their laundry themselves and are willing to pay someone to do it for them. If you are not too proud to make money, this can be your chance. Just create a passion for the business. Market to your people you don't know, people you know. Seek referrals. You can make between 50,000 naira to 80,000 naira on a monthly basis if you put some serious effort in the business. What you need to start this business is to purchase cleaning products like soap, detergent, brushes, towels, etc. and start advertising your services both online and offline. Look for a friend that can help you with small and attractive e-flyer and printed one that you can share with people both online and offline. You can start to run your cleaning business as a general service or you just specialize in a specific kind of cleaning, such as home or office oriented service. Market one is the third lucrative business that you can do as a fresh graduate while you wait for the white collar job. That if you wish to. If you reside in a place like Lagos, there are popular markets where items can be bought at wholesale prices. Some of them include Oyingbo Market, Balogun Market, but due to the distance and hectics of job in Lagos, some people prefer to have someone to do their market run for them. This is where business ideas comes in. You can help people to go to the market and buy food and household items and get paid for it. If we enjoy going to the market and sourcing for things like onions, pepper, and so on and so forth at cheaper prices, this business will suit you. You can make up to 5,000 naira in income from each market run. Just make sure you are honest. Make sure that the customer is pleased and trusts your capacity to deliver everything on their shopping list. This will fetch you more clients because Lagos people are particularly good at recommending people. The number 5 on my list is freelancing. This is another cheap business that involves executing simple tasks online. Basically, your job description is that you sell your soft skills to people in need of it online. For instance, if you are skilled in social media management, you can just find and help small business owner to manage their pages online. You can render various services as a freelancer. Some of the freelance jobs you can do include content writing, copywriting, website design, visual assistance, social media marketing, search engine optimization, Facebook ads, graphic design, among others. You can take a look at this screenshot from a website called ZipRecruiter. You will see the analysis of how you can earn as much as a freelancer, especially for someone living in Lagos. If you want to know how much you can earn as a freelancer from your whole state, just go to the website. The link is on the description page. Before I reveal the last 2 high income business you can do as a fresh graduate in 2024, I need you to do a favor for me. Click on the subscribe button under this video. Turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you whenever I post a new video. Like this very video and don't forget to also tell your opinion on this video in the comment section. The number 7 business idea on my list is event planning services. Event planning and management will always be in high demand in Nigeria. Top event planners in cities like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt make up to 1 million per event. If you are an extremely organized and detail-oriented person who loves to put parties together, then you may just have the right personality to start your own event planning business. Working for birthday parties, weddings, and class reunions. Use LinkedIn and other social media platforms to build up a substantial database of sellers and contacts so you can help your customer to plan the event of their fantasies. To start this business, you will need to build a portfolio you can use in marketing your services. You can build a portfolio by offering free planning and managing events for friends and family. As you practice with free events, you can also take free or paid courses to improve your skills. To conclude this video, I want you to know that the best business idea in Nigeria right now are those require minimum capital and effort to start. This is why I gave the very realistic and high income generating business ideas in this video. You can start any of these businesses I have mentioned in the video and start making money almost immediately. Thanks for watching this video. If you have not watched the video I did on 5 kind of business or 5 kind of online business that can fetch you up to 200,000 naira as a student in Nigeria, kindly check the description of this video to watch it now. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to stay safe and stay conscious.